after the exams, now we have connected again with unit 4. 3 units we have completed now, including the grammar part. Now we started 4th unit. 4th unit, A part. The title of this lesson is an adventure. Children, do you like adventures? What is adventure? Adventure means a very brave task to save someone else or to do a good job is adventure. To save any person or to save anything. If we have done anything, an extraordinary task, that is called adventure. Have you done any adventures? Yeah, we will do adventures. Hiding our marks from mom and dad and changing marks and hiding our papers and not saying homework, not telling about exams, not telling about parent-teachers meeting. These are all adventures only. I said it. Not these type of adventures. Adventure means what? Saving someone else with our qualities, with our dayness, with our braveness. Is called adventure. And in this lesson also, you are going to know about an adventure. An adventure was done by 2 children. Do you know here in this beginning of the lesson, what's the page number, students? Page number 48, beta. All of you open the page number 48. If you open, you see here bravery awards. Yeah, really. Every year, November 14th, on the day of Children's Day, you will even central government will announce the bravery awards of children. They will announce this what? Different places, some children they will perform extraordinary things. Recently in Nepal, one girl, she has saved 3 children. When they were playing near the shore of river bank, suddenly they fall. This girl, she knew swimming and she jumped in and she saved the remaining 3 children. And the government has announced as a bravery award to her. So, who has done like that in the aspect of children, the government honored them with the bravery awards. Okay? And in this also one girl is receiving the award. See here. What do you see in the picture? What do you think the girl was given the bravery award? Why the girl has received the bravery award? Tell me. I think she may perform any good task. She may save someone else. That's why she has received the award. And in this lesson also, you are going to see an adventure done by 2 children. 2 children, amazingly, what adventure they have done, how they saved the life of a man. Now you are going to see. Shall we begin our lesson? Shall we start? Page number 48. Let's go, said Seema. Or it will be the time for lunch before we know it. Let's go towards the old temple, said Arun, her cousin. So Seema and Arun, they are cousins. What are the characters? Seema, Arun. These 2 are cousins. They are cousins. Okay. Then actually it is a lunch break, lunchtime. So in the lunchtime, they would like to go to a place, something else. As always, they had come to Vishnupur on a vacation to their grandparents. It was a small, quiet town surrounded by green hills and some ancient ruins. They particularly loved going for walks and spent hours exploring the old temple in a fort nearby. So, whenever vacation means when we get summer vacation and also Sankranti, Dasara vacation, when these vacations even before quarterly exams, half-yearly exams, after annual exams. We'll get pre-vacation now, but pandemic situation brought you a long vacation. No? What vacation you got now? I think all you are enjoying this pandemic vacation, no? It's not it. So, whenever they get vacation, these Seema and they will go to a place called Vishnupur. This Vishnupur, in the lunchtime, these 2 kids, means what? Who will live there? If they get vacation, their grandparents. So they have a habit. I think you do. If you go to your grandmother's house, we will get some friends there, right? We will with some friends. We will go to any places, any temples. We will play there. We will enjoy. It's not it. Of course, now this pandemic situation is there. Our parents are not allowing us to go out. But at the time, if we go for a vacation, we will play. It's not it. I think you will do it. So even Seema and Arun also, after lunch, if they get time, they will go to a place. It is an old temple. It is a fort. Now in Warangal, Fort Warangal will be now. It is an old fort. Like that, one old fort is there. Old fort and a temple. It is a temple. Completely rocks, stones, everything is old one. Everything is older. Okay. No one will go to that places. No one will go to the places. Sometimes they pretended to be rulers of ancient kingdom, and other times they played hide and seek. So sometimes they will act like king and queen. See, I am a king, you are a queen. Come on, king, do like that. Go get it. So they will act, So like that they will play, and sometimes they will play hide and seek. It is an old place, students. It is an old place. So no one is allowed to go there. No one is allowed to go there. But these two children will go and play. So they went. They started playing. Okay. Sometimes they spend time in playing the roles of king and queen. Sometimes they start playing of hide and seek. Catch me if you can, shouted Arun, and he ran ahead. So they are playing hide and seek. What they are playing? Hide and seek. So first what Arun said, Seema is a thief. Arun is a thief. Seema is a police. So they have started playing of hide and seek. So Seema started counting numbers. Arun said, come on, I am going to hide. You have to catch me. So Arun had gone to a place. He has hidden. I will catch you in a minute, said Seema as she followed. So Seema has said, in 1 minute only I will catch you. In 1 minute only I will catch you. Arun was soon out of sight as he went round the corner. Seema knew his favorite hiding place and smiled to herself, thinking, "You won't escape me." She ran down the hill towards the old temple where she knew Arun would be hiding, but he was not there. Actually, every time Arun used to hide in one place only. Arun used to hide in one place only. Every time in one place only he used to hide. Okay, a particular place he will have. In that place only Arun used to hide. Every time one permanent place will be. Seema knew it. Seema knew it well. So I know, Seema will say, I know where will you hide every time. In old temple, in one corner you will hide. I know I will come and catch you. Seema thought like that. She ran down the hill towards the old temple, and she knew Arun would be hiding. But he was not there. So she expected that in old temple, Arun would hide. She knew actually, because when we play also, our friends, they will have a permanent place. There only they will hide. It's not it. It's childish mentality. They will hide there only. So Seema also guessed that Arun would hide there only. But she went to the old temple. She searched all the place. But Arun, she did not find her. He must have gone to the cave. And near to the temple there is a cave. Cave in the sense a hole. A hole in the hills, we call that as cave. When kings and they ruled, to escape from enemies, they will have a secret place. Actually, if they used to attack the kings, they will have a secret place to escape. Is not it? So, like that, a cave is there. There is a cave. This was another favorite place for them. A cave hidden behind some creepers. So actually, some creepers, some trees were there. There are some trees. At back of the trees and creepers, creepers, money plant, creepers will be now. So some creepers will be at back of them. There is a cave. That is also the favorite place to Arun and Seema. Both they will play there also. So she went to the cave. He was not in temple. Arun is not in temple. Now where he will be? He will be in cave. So Seema went there. Arun, I am here. Seema called out as she reached the cave. So she guessed that Arun would be in the cave. She expected definitely he may be in the cave. With that expectation, she went to the cave. See, Seema, Arun, both are cousins. Okay. So to spend their vacation, they used to go to Vishnupur. Why Vishnupur they will go? their grandparents will be lived there. They used to live there. So when they went to Vishnupur and after lunch they would like to play. So when they would like to play, they will go to a place which was an old fort. It is like a old fort. Olden days kings, they used to rule and live in a such place. Okay. So after leaving there, when they used to live on, when they used to come, they used to play hide and seek. And they played the roles of king and queen, imitating the other roles they used to play. Okay, and it is an old fort now. They used to play. Now this time they are playing hide and seek. Arun had hidden and Seema has to find him. So she expected that Arun old temple will be in that place only, he will hide. But Arun was not in the temple. So she expected that he might be in the cave. She guessed. But Arun was not in the cave. So Seema started, because it is a strange old place now. It looks, the different sounds used to come from the place. So she started shouting, Arun, Arun, where are you? Then there was no reply when she was calling him. Seema could not see anyone, and that is an old place, no one would go there. So Seema, she could not see anyone. She was about to enter the cave when she caught sight of a piece of torn, crumpled paper on the ground. She picked it and unfolded it out. How odd! It had letters CLP written on it. So when she was going into the cave, at the entrance, she found a paper. Because on a paper, if you put our leg, sound will come. A paper, if we scrub it off, what a sound will come? Crumble. A sound it comes. So such a sound. She opened the slip and she saw it. There are some letters. CLB written on it. 3 letters and handwritten on it. Just then, she heard Arun calling out, Seema, where are you? Then Arun, the boy is calling her. Both were cousins now. They came there. So Arun is calling Seema. Seema, where are you? He is calling. Here, said Seema to Arun, who was standing at the entrance of the cave. I was looking for you. So Seema is saying, Seema, I am here. Where are you? Then Seema is saying, I am near the cave, Arun. Just come here. Then he came. What have you got in your hand? Asked Arun. Okay, Arun came to Seema. Both they found themselves in the cave. What is in your hand? He asked. It is nothing. A paper with CLP written on it, said Seema. So see, it's a small paper. Someone thrown here. I think that paper is there. What is written on that? CLP. So don't throw it. Let me see, said Arun. As he took the paper from her. He took at it carefully and said, see, if you look at the torn edge of the paper letter, which could be an E and not a C. Do you think it could be help? Asked Seema. Actually, that is not CLP. Arun had observed the paper. Hey, this is a very different letter, Seema. It is not an easy letter. I think this is not CLP, that is E and P. So it may be help. So the person is not educated, I think so. Actually that is help. So someone is in danger. They wrote this and they thrown it. So something is wrong. Do you think it could be help? Asked Seema. I think you are saying, is it help? Help! My goodness. Someone is in trouble. We must find him, said Seema. So someone is in trouble and someone is in danger. So definitely we have to help them. It is our duty to help. Now get ready to help. She started saying. Okay. And on her added Seema, but where do we go? There is no one in the temple and there is no one in the cave too. So I hope to whom you will help. To whom you help? There is no one in the temple, there is no one in the cave. Where will we go? Who threw the paper? Who was in danger? How do we know? Seema is saying to Arun. So then she said, actually, we have a way to go. Yes, students, we had come to mostly the end of the lesson. We'll continue the remaining lessons in the next video. Now you are homework. Let's just get on. New words and glossary. Write the new words and glossary of 4A in classwork from textbook. Okay, here is your work to go, students. This is your work. You have to complete it. Okay, every time don't postpone your works. Most of them you have not completed it. Simply you are not writing index properly. You are not writing the lesson title properly. Write all the name of the title letters, capital letters, even though you write cursive. Okay, one letter capital, one letter small. What's that? Now you are 6th class. Try to know everything clearly. Okay? Right? What is your work? Write the name of the lesson. Write new words. Write new words. Write glossary. Write glossary. This is your homework. When you should write in classwork. Don't postpone your works. Complete the works properly. Have a nice day. Take care.